This is the most decked out mid-bunk fifth wheel we got. This is a 2023 Arctic Wolf 3660 Suite. She's pretty hefty, weighing in at just under 11,000 pounds dry, and she's 43 feet 7 inches tongue to bumper. This is a pet-friendly camper. We got a leash latch under this huge awning for shade. A ton of pass-through storage in here for all your toys and goodies. We got an outdoor shower in the back, and then over here we have this really nice outdoor camp kitchen. Yours and mine refrigerators, 2-burner gas stovetop, and an ice maker out here. We also have some accent lighting for that. That's really nice. And then around the corner, we got a rack in the back and a backup camera up top. It's raining, so let's go on inside and check it out. Now, if you're traveling with a big family or if you're working remotely, this is a really good option for you. Nice dinette area here. Electric fireplace and a spot to mount your TV above that. We got accent lighting all around this thing, making it extra spicy. Dual theater recliners with 4 cup holders. This thing will fold out into sleeping for guests. Boom, now you got sleeping for 2. Over this way, we are in Michigan, so we got a peninsula in here instead of an island. Nice farmhouse style sink in that with a detachable faucet. Plenty of drawer and cupboard space all around this thing. Nice refrigerator, 3-burner gas stove, oven, and microwave. Now let's head on up to this bonus room. Come through this door. Ooh, looks like we got a little office space or lounge area in here. We can also make this a little bunk room. Now you can sleep up to 3 in here, or if you're working remotely, you can just get rid of all this, make this your office space. Right above that, we have another loft. Sleep another kid up here. This one's quite spacious. You could fit 2 up here if you wanted. Could definitely fit 2 in here. I'll probably edit this TikTok on this loft because this thing's quite comfy. And we also have some USB ports up here and some outlets if we want to charge up at night. Then around the corner, we find our bathroom here. Nice porcelain toilet down here. Plenty of room in the standing shower. And then we'll head into this master bedroom. It's a little dark, so we'll kick on these lights. We got a king bed in here. Big old closet with these sliding mirrors. Tons and tons of room in here for your clothes. On this side of the closet, we actually have our nightstand in here. So we got USB ports and your outlets right here within reach of your bed. And right here, we got a little desk area. This can also be a little makeup area. You got an inverter behind that. And then way over here in this corner, we got the good old washer dryer hookups that everyone loves so much. If you got any questions on this unit, please give us a call at 231-788-2040 and ask for John.